Hey guys, it's Mrs. Lemaine. Welcome back for another mini phonics lesson. Okay, we have been talking about the steps to decode multisyllabic words or big words, words with more than one syllable. Okay, there are 4 steps. Okay, the first step we already talked about is knowing what a syllable is. Okay, Mrs. LeMay. Okay, being able to find the beat of a word. The second step we already figured out was knowing how many syllables are in the unknown word. Remember, the vowels are a huge hint. 3, knowing where to divide our words into each syllable. We look at our vowels, then we look at the consonants in between. Today we're talking about number 4, knowing what each syllable sounds like. Okay, now our vowels are a huge hint, but also the combinations of letters within our syllables will also be a huge hint. It's kind of like decoding a map or a different language, okay? The way that certain letters are arranged lets you know what sound they make. Okay, so like I mentioned, in the English language there are 6 syllable types, and I have a handy little poster here that kind of just shows you the 6 syllable types. There are closed words, silent E words, or long vowel silent E. There are open syllable words, words with vowel teams, words with consonant LE, and words with a vowel plus an R pattern. Okay, so I'm just going to quickly go over what each one of these kind of looks like, and then over the course of these next few months we're going to talk more in depth about each one of these syllable types. Okay, so basically these are what each syllable can sound like. Okay, so the first one we're going to talk about is closed. This is actually skill 10 of the phonics skills. There are 15 phonics skills. We go over skills 10 through 15. So skill 10 is closed syllable words. We know it's closed because we find our vowels, and within the syllable there is a consonant right after the vowel. The vowel is closed in by consonants. Okay, we represent that with a hand signal like this, closed. Every time it is closed, the vowel makes the short vowel sound, ah. So we know that this is cat. The I is also closed in by the P. This is I, nip, whole word, cat, nip. So that is closed syllable words. And closed syllable words make up almost half of the English language. So if you know the rules for a closed syllable word and you know what sound it makes, you'll be able to decode at least half of the English language. There you go. Okay, so that was skill 10. All right, skill 11 is long vowel silent E syllable pattern. Okay, so it is saying that there is a vowel consonant E within the word, and that is the hand signal that we do for it. That tells us that this vowel says its name, and we do not hear this vowel at all. Okay, so A, take. This one is closed. I, miss, mistake. Okay. That's long vowel silent E syllable pattern. Okay, skill 12 is the open syllable pattern. Okay, so within the syllable, there is no consonant after the vowel. It is not closed in by a consonant. That makes it open. This is the hand signal we do for open, and it says its name when it's open. O, row. Okay, that's the open syllable pattern. Skill 13. Okay, bear with me. I have boards all over my table right now. Okay, skill 13 is vowel teams. This one's a little tricky because there are so many vowel teams. Within this skill, there are predictable and unpredictable vowel teams. We will talk about all of those. Okay, in this word, we see an AY. These go together, and that's how we show that they go together, our 2 fingers next to each other. AY together make the A sound. So that way we know that in this syllable, this says A. So P, A, pay. Okay. And that's the vowel teams syllable pattern. Okay, skill 14 is consonant LE. Let me grab my board. It was a little farther away from me. Okay. Consonant LE syllable pattern is where we have a consonant, an L, and an E, and it is always in a syllable by itself. It always says the vowel sound plus ol. So this is b, ol, bowl. Okay, bowl. That way we know that this is closed, scram, bull. Okay, and it's always in a syllable by itself. So that's consonant LE, skill 14 syllable pattern. And then last, but definitely not least, skill 15, which is vowel plus an R. And I just realized I forgot to divide this word, but that's okay. I'll do it right in front of you. There we go. Okay, and this is where we actually showed this one. The hand signal is an R in sign language, and you just put it right underneath of it. You see the ER, it's a vowel plus an R. ER makes the sound, So we know that, oh, there's the ER pattern. It makes the sound. So in this syllable, it says sir. Okay, and then we'll be able to figure out the rest of it because this is closed, because the vowel is closed in by consonants. There's an N after it. Ent, whole word, serpent. Okay, so there are 6 syllable patterns that will help us be able to decode all words in English, okay? Now, there will always be exceptions in the English language. However, this will help you be able to decode almost every word, okay? So being able to know these tricks and these patterns will definitely help you. I look forward to going on this journey with you. I'm super excited and ready to start skill 10 with you next time. Have a super fantastic day, and I'll see you later. Bye, guys.